videos about my handlebar, and a lot of people like, Raj, what have you done? Why did you make it like a scrambler look or a Brat style? Well, I'm planning some rides and I thought I'll try this stunt, and I did some engineering about it. So let's check out the video what happened yesterday and how I got this thing done, and check this out now. What's happening, guys? What's going on? Welcome to another video of Ride with Raj, and I hope you're enjoying all my videos. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. There's a small red button, just click that, and also the bell, so that the bell gives you the notifications for all the videos which I upload. I am planning a Run of Kutch ride. It is not concrete yet. We were planning this ride in December, but apparently Yash got viral and he could not join me, and we could not go. And now he's feeling better, so we might do that right now. For that, I'm planning to change my handlebar. Alright, I am putting a Himalayan handlebar. The seat is already customized. I've also called for a USB charger. So now soon you'll see a lot of videos with all these updates and upgrades which I'll do to my motorcycle. I'm also changing my Vespa's seat cover. I'm actually adding a seat cover because there's a cat who keeps attacking my seat. If you all look carefully, I got that cat which sits on my Vespa. Can you imagine? She won't move. Okay, kitty cat, time to go, kitty cat. Come on, kitty cat, leave, kitty cat. I think I'll start my scooter. I think that's the best way because I don't want to mess with this cat. She looks a little ferocious. Oh, there she's gone. And that's why I'm doing that. So I'm also giving my bike for service. Alright, and for the service, I have a lot of problems right now. Royal Enfield uses the wet clutch system. So I'm going to actually get that clutch system cleaned, because there's a lot of oil which stays inside, all the debris are inside, gets clogged. So I'm going to get the clutch system cleared. I'm going to put a new clutch cable and definitely a new air filter because it's due now. Okay, regarding my tires, I find them a little slippery. If you guys can see, the grip is a little bit worn out. But I went to the Pirelli guy, and unfortunately Continental GT does not have any other brand which can fit this size. I tried that. I tried Michelin, I tried other things, it didn't work out. I can only put Sport Demon, which is the Pirelli tires specifically for Continental GT. Now I am in a situation because I wanted real good grip tires. I feel Pirelli are not very well gripped for the Indian roads. However, that's the situation now, so it's okay. Now he's going to check my density of the grips. If he feels that it can do Run of Kutch and Ladakh and all these in the future, I'll continue on these tires. If not, I'll change it. Let's see how it goes. I've done around 9,000 K already on this motorcycle. So let's see. You guys can see the grips. The rear tire grips are quite worn. Yeah, they're quite worn out. But let's see. If he says change it, I'll have to change it. This will be additional cost to me, which will pinch me on my wallet. And if you guys noticed, I don't know if you remember, I had got these. If you see my video, I think 2 or 3 months back I'd done a video on getting these pipes replaced. Check this out. Already cracked. Both of them already cracked. You see that? You see the raw material they're using, and the original lasted me 3 years. Can you imagine? So the bike, when it comes with the parts, are pretty genuine, and then aftermarket, I don't know, the parts are not that good quality. You can see that it's all screwed. So I'm going to change this. I'm also going to change my clutch cable, but depending on my handlebar. Now, if I know you guys must be thinking that how am I setting that up, how am I buying the risers? I mean, stay tuned for that clip. I'll show you which risers I'm planning to put and which handlebar I'm planning to put. So while shopping motor parts and looking for some parts, I came all the way to Malad for one spare part, and I found my subscriber. What's your name? Anush. So his name is Anush, and he's studying close by. He just spotted my bike and me, and he recognized me. So a big shout out to Anush. I'm at Javed Bhai's garage. I think everyone already knows Javed Bhai now. He's actually customizing my handlebar. We've got the parts. So let me quickly show you what I'm doing to my motorcycle, so you all will know what's happening. So we are actually opening up the clip-ons and we are exchanging them with the risers first. How we're going to install the risers, I'll just demonstrate right now. Alright, these are Bajaj Avenger risers. Alright, they costed me 750 for the entire 3 things. This is the top bracket.
on which the handlebar will be fitted. Okay, this is original Bajaj Avenger. We bought it from a Kandivali store called Star Spare Parts, and these are I think around 4-inch risers. Alright, original Bajaj Avenger. Alright friends, this is a Himalayan handlebar. I bought it from the Royal Enfield store, Ishna Spare Parts. I got this for 565 rupees. The reason I bought the Himalayan handlebar is because it's silver, it will match with my assembly. Secondly, I like that it's a little broader than the Yamaha FZ handlebar, which I really like. So I'm putting a little broader handlebar. So let's see how it looks. So now what Javed bhai is doing is he's first removing my rear view mirror. He's removing the clip-ons, and we're gonna actually remove this part of the handlebar. This is a complete intact plate. We're gonna remove this. We're gonna drill 2 holes out here so that these risers can be mounted. The holes have to be very, very accurate, so we're gonna use actually a scale to measure that, do a marking and then do a hole. So while Javed bhai removes the handlebar, we'll also talk about my servicing. My motorcycle really needs a very good service. So what we plan to do is clean the clutch system. Alright, that must be definitely gross right now. I've not done it since a long time. My oil needs to be changed. I'm also checking my wheel bearings. Very important part when you go for a ride is checking your wheel bearings, because most of the time on the road your wheel starts wobbling. It's due to the bearing. So you're gonna check the bearings. We're gonna check the engine oil. I think it's time to replace my engine oil also. So the point is not to keep this handlebar for long, but for this ride it will be useful. I'm just trying a stunt. It doesn't look that good because clip-ons on Cafe Racer looks the best. So I'm gonna use it as much as I can. And this Sunday I'm riding, so we'll check how it performs. And I'll let you guys know how the handlebar is. So me and Javed bhai just realized we've not eaten anything, so I told him let's go and have some lunch, and right now we are here. And this is how you have tea. Whenever you do alterations to your motorcycle, your heart is in your mouth because you're worried something may go wrong. So now he's just dismantled the clip-ons. There you go. My bike has no handlebar right now. It's handlebarless. Look at it how it looks. Damn. Javed bhai owns a CBR 250 and I told him you should make it a Cafe Racer. Check this out. Imagine customizing this motorcycle into a Cafe Racer. Damn, it'll be awesome. Look at the chassis. Look at the frame. What else do you want? Just remove these fairings, keep that 250cc oil-cooled engine under your ass and make it a complete Cafe Racer. I really feel you should convert it into a Cafe Racer. If I had this, I would have customized it into a Cafe Racer. And this guy is changing his headlights, same as mine. He's putting a LED bulb and putting a HID light. I think a lot of people are now putting these LED bulbs, and I hope my video helps all these guys. So while we were fitting this, I met my subscriber who's got a Squadron Blue. That's Amrut. He shopped a lot of stuff, man. I should review it right now, right? I should unbox it. He bought a helmet, he got a brand new bike, he got a tank bag of Terra. So let's check the... And he bought... Damn, this guy bought the Jeep light which I've been displaying, right? Which one he bought? Oh, superb. So he bought the ring light from AH Helmet. He bought this from AH Helmet. So he paid 4,500 for that. And that's what he got. That's a socket. So he got the lights. He got a helmet of Soul. This guy is shopping, man. He's spending the bucks. Let's check what all he bought. Damn. Unboxing live on the road. Oh, he got the Soul helmet. Very good brand. And that's a crazy tank bag. Very sleek and nice, huh? And everyone knows Terra is doing well. We should review it right away.
Good quality bag.
Yeah. Oh, dope. He's a highway cruiser. And he bought the one with the Falcon wheels. Yeah, that's a Unicorn.
Unicorn.
Yeah, that's a Unicorn. And it is crazy. How much you paid for this?
6,900.
6,900.
Along with LED lights.
Oh, this comes with these kick-ass highway LED lights. This guy is going next level, man. This is really, really cool, man. And that's his beauty. Looks awesome. Let's do a 360 view of this. demonstrate this bag. It's a very simple mount. Straight magnet goes on it. It comes with a waterproof cover, which is really excellent. And let's show the space. So these guys have already. So AH Helmet was sweet enough to give them Barakla face mask. Two face masks they got. They got a nice. And they bought Royal Enfield gloves. How are they performing? Good?
Very good.
Pretty nice. They look pretty nice.
Yeah.
They have a good feel.
Yeah, very good.
Pretty good. So they have Royal Enfield gloves. This mask is given by AH Helmet because they bought such an expensive helmet. And this costed them
2,500.
This costed 2,500 rupees. And let's see the pockets. That's your mobile pocket. That's your basic pocket for keys. You have a side pocket for your gloves or a small water bottle.
For map.
Yeah, that's for your GPS. These guys are getting all tour ready.
Yeah.
They are riding Ladakh for sure. And yes, this is it, right? Pretty cool and pretty sturdy material, and does come with a strap to carry as a side bag. I like this feature of
And
this.
the straps are removable.
Okay.
Magnetic straps.
Oh yeah, it is.
This can be removed.
Yeah, so these straps can be tucked inside when you're carrying it on your shoulder, and it
also
becomes like a
remove it.
side bag. I really like this, and I think I'm gonna pick this one for myself too. Pretty good. Daily carry, put it on your bike. Pretty nice. Cool. Thanks guys for this short review live from for my other subscribers, and good to catch up my subscriber live. That was so awesome,
Unexpected.
man. Unexpected, totally unexpected. Pretty good. And I wish him all the. So really good to meet subscribers. Now that they know my garage where I hang out, they catch me there live. Very sweet subscribers, and they're gearing up for Ladakh, and so am I. So we discussed few tips about Ladakh. This is how my bike looks now, handleless. Guys, I am at a lathe shop, and this is the same shop I used to repair my dad's old Mercs parts. Alright, my dad had a compact 115, if you all know about that. This is how it looks. Alright, so there were some parts which we could not do anything, and I used to come here, and he recognized me because I used to come here a lot. So good to know that I'm in the same shop again and getting my bike things done. So let's check it out. Guys, if you're installing this, make sure the nut which you put below the let me focus, the nut which you put below the bracket has to be lock nut. You can see there's a difference. This is not your normal nut. Let me show you a normal nut. Alright, this is the normal nut which does not have a reverse locking system, but this nut does have a lock.
Perfect.
And Afzal bhai just did a cutting of that. So this will also resist vibration, the most important part for Royal Enfield. So keep that in mind guys when you're doing that. So this is the best part about it. So Afzal bhai is a great help and very reasonable guys. It's a CBR 600 sports bike head. Can you imagine? So the valve was gone and Afzal bhai is fixing that. He is such a good engineer. See you Afzal bhai.
Okay,
Take
bye.
care. Ajmal. They are my subscribers. And guess what? He's ordered a Ash White 350 Royal Enfield Classic, and I'm waiting to get my hands on that, bro. Yeah, so pretty good, and he's helping me out with some light. Even they were like checking bikes out, and so putting the mount. You can see the craziest. So guys, that's the riser. You guys can see that's a rubber bush, and he's going to put a lot of Fevikwik on it around it so that it stays intact, because this absorbs the vibration. That's very important. So this is what's going to be here. You guys can see he's already put that. We have cut this area so that it doesn't affect the T-nut. Very important part of this function. So the T-nut doesn't get affected, and then we're going to put the Fevikwik there. See, as you guys can see now, Rohit is adding some liquid glue. These guys have already purchased all their stuff and they've not got the bike yet. Check it out. My god, highway lights, LEDs, crash guards, covers. I mean, these guys have gone shopping for the bike before the bike comes, and crazy crash guard. Huh? Check it out, man. 14, na? Yes. 14 bulb LED highway lights. They've got crazy stuff, man. Even the back flap. This light. This is for? For the light. Yeah. This comes with the assembly. And so these guys have already shopped.
Yeah.
Bike
we are very happy कि मतलब कब तक आएगा, and we are waiting for tomorrow morning.
Yeah, so we'll meet again, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, see you, man.
Yeah.
Thanks. Bye.
Welcome.
Bar is kick-ass. I personally like it. Trust me, I know a lot of people will hate it because it's so upright. But for long rides, it's very comfortable. It's more like a Brat style. It's more like you can curve it better, you can lean it better. It's more of old school feel, which I feel this is really cool. So I'm gonna keep it till I finish my rides.
And there are some knickknacks now. I have to add the mirrors and everything. So my grease monkey is now a Daredevil motorcycle, as you guys already saw. That's my brother. I am right now out with my families watching a movie. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please comment if you need some information.
And subscribe.
And as usual, and
Eat well, sleep well, stay healthy, ride with Raj.
It's eat well, sleep well, be good. Everyone needs to be good.
Eat
be good.
well, sleep well, be good, stay healthy. Signing off, ride with Raj.